Good evening to everyone. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to cover in two things. One is Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation, who are having a career gap of minimum 4 years. For them, we strongly suggest you to go with the Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation and with very good communication. Who doesn't have a very good communication, I strongly suggest you to go with the end user and day-to-day operational part, how we can able to entering into the transaction. These and all are you can able to choose as an end user. Even if you can choose an end user, if you can add 2 years of experience on your resume, you can expect 5 to 7 lakhs package. If you already have a very good communication and career gap, I can suggest you to go with your Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. Okay. Before going to start, Kranti, can you introduce yourself? What is your education? When it was completed? If you are having any experience, in which organization you are having experience?
Hi, good evening all.
Yeah.
I My name is Kranti. I completed my graduation in 2017 in information technology. After that, I got an offer in Infosys on 2019 to 2021. I worked in Infosys as a senior software engineer. Then after I have a gap of I worked on ETL automation, but on a contract. So this is all my intro. Hello.
So you mean to say your EPF, how many years it has continuously?
From Infosys?
No, I'm talking about your PF Provident Fund.
Yeah, I only have Infosys.
The duration is
Then after no
2000
PF
till 19,
19 to 2019 to 2021.
3 years.
Yes,
So currently you're working or not yet?
not.
Okay, from 2021 onwards?
Yeah,
Okay, even there is no
I
PF history.
yeah no PF history.
Okay, so you want to go with the functional consultant, right? In IT side.
Yes,
Yeah, right. That is a good decision. And what about Lakshma Reddy?
Yeah, my name is Lakshma Reddy. I have overall 9 years of experience as a financial accounting.
Oh, excellent. Yeah.
I know I worked in general ledger, account payables, and banking treasury role as well.
Mhm.
Currently, I'm working in Genpact as an end user.
Okay, got it. The beauty is that in Genpact itself, we do have opening on Dynamics
Sorry?
365 Finance and Operation. In Genpact
Yeah.
itself, we do have a lot
Yes,
of
yes,
job opportunities on
yes,
Dynamics.
Genpact also. Yes, yes.
Okay. I think even
Okay.
if you go and ask to move from end user to consultant, they may not.
Actually, I checked with my manager, but he told me it is not possible in the same organization.
Mhm.
So he said to me, just you will get knowledge and you'll try outside like that.
Okay. Yeah, right. Absolutely. What you should have to do that. If already supporting your organization, in the sense, what I mean to say, your organization already doing the practice, that is easiest one to switch. Because even if you can say you already been working on Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation, absolutely no will be believed you already been working.
Yes.
Okay, so you can use that one on here.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What about Dilip? Can you introduce yourself? Yeah, Dilip, are you there?
Dilip is traveling, sir. He can't speak.
Oh, okay,
He
got
put
it.
in message actually.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So before going to start, let me introduce myself. Myself, Venkat. I'm having total 15 years of work experience in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation and AX 2012. That is previous version. And previous one is Acceptor 2009. I worked on it. And let me tell about something about Dynamics Global Edge IT Solution. Dynamics Global Edge IT Solution, this organization is primarily providing training on IT, software, and non-IT also, especially for end users like our general ledger process associate, account receivable, accounts payable, cash, bank reconciliation, asset management, or AML, any anti-money laundering, KYC, know your customer, such kind of thing. So here the primarily we are going to covering two things. One is for end user and another one is for specifically a functional consultant. Okay. And here we do have two type of training. One is, full-time training and another one who already been working and they want to upgrade their skill set. They can join, training as well. When it comes to, full-time training, we are having two offices. One is in Durga High Tech City and another one is in Amirpet here. It's a full-time 8 hours training. So here who are having very good communication skills. So you can choose a functional consultant role. You can use it to clear and even you can use it to sustain nowadays. That is not a very difficult. Why we are planning full-time training for who are looking for placement means in the month of July, we have got total 4 offer letter, 4 out of 3 offers, not 3 offers, 3 people have been terminated because nowadays what happened, almost all companies are calling to come to office. That can be 2 days or 3 days or 5 days also. Okay. When earlier we do not have such option, even you can work from home, you can able to manage. Now you should have to go to office. When you are going to office, you should be in the position to tell if they ask something about related topic. Even if it is not 100%, you should be in the position to answer it at least relevant to the topic content. So for that, we realized not only that incident, even in the previous month also we have seen, due to that kind of, termination, firing and alert is going to be huge impact. If you joined in one organization in the month of August, and then if you left within the 1 month, that EPF will be created on top of you can able to, no, you cannot show that experience as 1 month. Due to that will have a lot of impact on your career side. To avoiding all those things, we are planning to to take training and full time to place in MNC companies. Okay. So now let's start on here that Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. This is an ERP application. Okay. ERP. This is an Microsoft product. How we used to have like SAP, you can find those product their own, and you can see Oracle their own. But Microsoft is having many products. Out of the one is Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. Here you can able to find many roles, especially functional consultant. You can find finance consultant, supply chain management consultant, advanced warehouse and transportation management consultant, HR and payroll consultant, manufacturing and production consultant, retail and call center process related consultant. It means you can find almost 6+ consultant role in your functional consultant. And another and very important consultant is technical consultant. Nowadays, we do not have any admin tools because this software is purely cloud-based organization. But we do have an option where you can able to use specifically that on premises, but that is not recommended, even not supporting majority of the time instant when you are choosing the non-premises. So everyone is selecting cloud hosted only due to that work is carried by the Microsoft itself. So far it's clear. Anyone have any doubts? Say yes or no.
Sir, this training is a finance and operational, right?
Yeah, right. Finance and operations.
So we are eligible for other consultants also, like for supply chain, HR, you said.
Yeah, right, ma. Absolutely. But why I'm telling you to choose finance means, let me take an example. Bharati Airtel.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there you can find one finance consultant, and you cannot find a CM consultant because that is service-based organization.
Okay.
Okay, and let me take one more example. Apollo Group.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you can go and see in their premises, especially in their offices, like pharmaceutical outlet and all, you can see that they're using Microsoft Dynamics. There you can find finance, SCM, manufacturing, production, everyone you can find there. Because all the activities it has been involved. It means here 2 finance it has been created, 1 SCM job it has been created.
Okay.
Okay, that is significant. And once if you start your career in finance, over a period of the time, you will get knowledge of your supply chain management, production, manufacturing, everything you can get it. Why? Because all modules are integrated to your finance modules. But other people who are working in supply chain, manufacturing and production, advanced warehouse and transportation, those people, it is very difficult to understand about the finance role. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is about different kind of roles I'm here. Here you can see that the career opportunity, especially you can able to find that lucrative salaries and high demand. After this demo, you can spend 5 to 10 minutes of your valuable time on your internet. You can check if there is a one job opportunities on Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. How many people it has been applied? And there we have our competitors like SAP and Oracle. How many people have been applied about their roles, that particular job application? If it is an SAP, Oracle, thousands and thousands of application, it has been no selected. But when it comes to the Dynamics 365 finance and operation, it is in very less competition. And you can find very good salaries as well. This opportunity is not only in India, where you have a dream. Let us take Rahul want to be settled and be his life in US. Where you want to live, Los Angeles, let us take. You can search Dynamics 365 finance and operation job opportunities in Los Angeles. You can find the job. It means almost all entire global, we are practicing Dynamics 365 finance and operations. Okay, and this is an high demand. So far, we are in the era of artificial intelligence, AI. And when it comes to the Microsoft Dynamics 365 finance and operation, already been integrated and developed AI, artificial intelligence, that we used to call it as a co-pilot. Now the co-pilot is part of in this ERP software. So that one will help you to grow up. If you are having any doubts, the system where you can use AI to get it clear and clarify whatever you are having the concerns. Okay, so far is clear. Anyone have any doubts? Ramesh, anyone? Clear, right? Say yes or no.
Yes.
And the next one on here, you can find target audience who can learn this Dynamics 365 financial operation. I can say that if it is an freshers and experience, both you can choose. If it is the freshers, you can find many jobs in outside where you can find end user level to entering transactions related. You can expect your package of minimum 3 lakhs, and depending on the company and their package and your performance, even you can expect in fresher level 8, 9, 10 lakhs also. Okay. And if you are an experienced person, even you can expect more salary. I can tell you one incident. The person name is Shekhar. He used to work in Dubai. When he was in Dubai, he used to draw 10,000 dirhams. Approximately in Indian currency, it is 2 lakhs. Now their kids growing up, he wants to be back and want to draw the same salary in India. He just changed when he was working as a financial manager after coming to India and joining Dynamics Global Edge. It has been converted his profile, 7 years of experience into the IT, where it has been shown on Dynamics 365 finance and operation and AX22. Now he got job in into organization with package of 24 lakhs and joining bonus, other annual bonus, each and everything, almost approximately 28 lakhs. He got the package, including relocation cost. Okay. Nowadays, no need to go anywhere like any Gulf countries. If you are expecting salary of 20 to 30 or 35, 40 lakhs, even you can earn that salary of that amount within the India. We do have many organizations where they are offering for consultants. Okay. And when it comes to the career switchers who are working currently in SAP or Oracle or any other, okay, where person is feel I'm not having knowledge on coding, but I want to move my career into the IT side. Everyone can move your career from there to here. It is the zero coding. No need to write any coding on here. This is purely setups and configuration and documentation related work. Only more and more it will be there. So far is clear. Anyone have any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. And then there you can find, salaries, especially I'm going to talk about the salary is significantly, nowadays, in earlier, that is the different. Nowadays, if you can perform in interview level based on your skill set and knowledge, they are offering a very good salary, especially if it is the India freshers itself, they are expecting 6 to 12 lakhs. If you are going to attend and clear the interview, especially big four firms, ENY, PwC, KPMG, and those Deloitte and all, they are giving for freshers itself 6 to 12 lakhs. If you are going to put the experience 3 to 7 years, you can expect 12 to 25 lakhs. If you are going to be senior, you can expect 25 to 50 lakhs they are offering. Even not only here, even if you are going to have any plan to work in London or European countries or US or Canada, you can search. Okay, you can search 3 7 years of work experience. Okay, job on UK. You can expect 90 to 1,000 pounds, not dollars. If it is in US, you can expect a 90 to 130 or even 132 to 100 pounds. They used to know offering salaries on here. So far is clear. Anyone have any doubts?
No, sir.
And then this is about India and abroad. The salary part, how it is used to be projected on here. So far is clear. Anyone have any doubts? No, right? Okay. Now I'm going to talk about testimonial. Who came? His name is Vijay Kumar, and when he came, he himself declared and agreed not perfect in communication and want to join as end user. And we suggested him to join, end user job. But over a period of the time, he joined in English training for English learning, and then he was improved, and then he got the job in Delight with experience of around 3 years. We have that's been added. And another person you can find Amit. Basically, he is from the US. Due to the recession and all, he lost the job where he was working an SAP consultant. But only thing is that people who are working in SAP, it is almost the functionality itself, it is the similar only. Nothing is changed. But thing is that only application is the change. The rest of the part, including FRD, functional requirement document, FDD, functional design documentation, all those things, it is the very same. And only if we can learn the application, the work almost all it is the same on here. And another person you can see that Anuradha, when she was working as an end user level, and then she got job in TCS. Okay, and when TCS was offered very less salary, by showing the TCS, and she got the one more offer in PwC, she joined on here. Very important thing is that once if you are having one offer letter, by showing that offer, you can get the higher package by showing that counter offer on here. Okay, so far it's clear. Anyone have any doubts? Say yes or no.
No, sir.
No, right?
No.
Okay. Especially the job opportunities. I'm just giving few sample example, but nowadays you can be, I think everyone perfect to search to know about the particular product or platform job opportunities, and especially in Hyderabad, rest of the India, not only Hyderabad, the entire world. There you can find one is Microsoft, Accenture, Deloitte, PwC are top employer in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation Consulting. At the same time, we do have many organizations, smaller organizations also. Especially, you can find TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL also hiring, these specialists who told in our in this demo itself, who is working as an end user in Genpact. There you can find many job opportunities in Genpact itself as well. Okay, if you can see the global firm, as I told you, big four firms like ENY, KPMG, PwC, Deloitte, Capgemini. These are also looking for Dynamics 365 finance and operation. We do have many job opportunities in those organizations. If you're having that experience will add you in entire global. It will be no recognized. Okay. So far it's clear. Anyone have any doubts? Say
No,
yes
sir.
or no. Clear, right? Okay. So now when it comes to training, we are primarily providing training on core finance and accounting. This is for both your end user as well as consultant level we are providing. And another one is manufacturing and retail. We do have very good job opportunities who are interested your manufacturing and role. And another one there you can find supply chain and procurement. We do have very good job opportunities. And especially in functional highest job opportunities, you can find finance, and later is supply chain. And the third is project accounting and taxation, and then fourth one is you can find your manufacturing and retail on here. Okay, this is where we do have different kind of job opportunities, different areas we are having on here. And very important thing is that if you can see any job opportunities, any graduation, okay, any engineering also it is an eligible answer. So far is clear. Anyone have any doubts?
No,
Say
sir.
yes or clear, right? Okay. So once if it is clear, the next one on here, you can see this one, especially our Dynamics 360, Dynamics Global Edge IT solution. We are primarily focusing on placement oriented training, and some of the people who would like to try by learning this product on their own, for them also we are providing cloud hosted environment and training. But people who are looking to learn in depth and want to go to office and work, I strongly suggest you to go with full-time training. So by going to this one, you can able to get the placement, and we are going to give you a real-time project, and we are going to give you the access to raise the ticket to the Microsoft, and how they are going to support, you can able to find. Especially, who are giving the training, they are, expert certified trainer in AX 2012 as well as Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation, both. Okay. And here you can see this one, especially we are planning who are who wants to join on full-time training for placement oriented. It is totally 4 months it has been placed. Within the 4 months, you will learn perfectly, and 4 to 6 months, you will get the job also. If you won't get, okay, so the organization it has the policy to refund the amount also. Those terms and condition will be explained so that you can 100% will get the job. If you won't get, you will get the refund also. Okay. So this is about how the job opportunities when you compare with other competitors like SAP, Oracle, you can able to find it on here. Okay. So we do have many kind of the job opportunities. This is about programming model on here. So far is clear. Anyone have any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you about application, how application it will be, what are all the modules we do have on it here. Okay, along with we are going to show the course content. You can go through those course content by going through the YouTube video, which was delivered as a list of the course content where we are going to cover. It has been given in detail. You can go through that. Just give me a moment. So here you can see this one. This is about Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. This is cloud hosted environment. Even we do have on-premises environment also, but majority of people used to choose cloud hosted only, so that you can able to access anywhere, even you can able to access from your mobile also. Okay. This software will support multi-localization functionality. Multi-localization in the sense, in India, we are using GST, goods and service tax, TDS, TCS. When it comes to the US, they are using the sales tax and federal tax 1099 taxation. It means country to country, each and everyone, they used to have their own taxation and mechanism. When you have such kind of scenario for each country level, you cannot maintain for one software. But if one software is supporting for all regional, all country levels of specification, so that by using the only one software, you can able to manage your entire global operations on here. So by using this software, you can able to manage your entire global operations, even if your business is running more than one places also. Okay. And another one is this software will support multiple companies, generally who are going to do an implementation of ERP, especially small and medium bigger organization. They used to have more than one organization, one company. So here there is no such limitation. You can create as many as company you are having. And this software will support multi-language as well. Nowadays in India, everyone is comfortable to use English is the primary, but if we can go to the some of the countries like in Gulf, other countries like some of the European countries, they are not perfect in English. They want to use their local language. In that case, you should have to know support those softwares, other language as per their requirement. free. This software will support multi-language as well. Okay. Here you can see this one list of the module, especially if you can go to the module name, accounts payable, accounts receivable, asset management, audit workbench, budgeting, cash and bank. We can find many modules. Okay. If you are running an organization, to maintain your business specific requirement, each and everything you can able to record by using the Dynamics 365 finance and operations. So far is clear. Anyone have any doubts?
No, sir.
I will do one thing. If you don't have any doubts, especially for Kranti, okay, Guru, Ramesh, Rahul, Priyanka, Lakshma Reddy, I'm going to send you the course content. I'm already explained about specification about the how the training it is, what type of training we are having, and you just go through the course curriculum. And tomorrow we are going to start with same timing about application. We do provide cloud hosted environment, the trial version. We do provide 10.0.43 application version who wants to install on your system. For that, we need to have a very good configuration, like minimum 16 plus. Strongly, it's recommended 32 GB RAM. And there you can find, i5 and above processor, where I'm using, you can see this one i9 13th generation processor, and using SSD, I'm using 954 SSD hard disk. This is about graphic card and all that. If you're having such kind of configuration, you can install on your laptop. If you don't have such kind of configuration, what I can tell you and recommend to use the cloud hosted trial environment, so that it will fulfill all your requirement. You can learn, and once if you got the job, the company itself, they will provide your all requirement, including your laptop, headset, all each and everything, all the gadgets, it will be given to you from the company and here. Okay, so far is clear. Anyone have any questions, any doubts?
Yeah. So, how many days we can use the trial version?
Yeah, the trial version, basically, you can use for 1 year. But thing is that once if you create within the 20 to 30 days, entire data will be arise, because one server I used to maintain the same, it will be given to the all business partners. The main motive behind is, if all the setups and configuration what you did, if it is keep on there, you are not going to gain knowledge. If it is periodically deleted, you should have to do all the setups and configuration from the scratch. By doing multiple time practice, you can able to remember, you can able to gain a lot of knowledge. That was the motive behind. They used to delete periodically all the setups and configuration. But you can create as many as within time of for 1 year.
Okay.
Yeah. What about anyone have any questions?
Sir,
What about the regular practice time?
Yeah. See, basically here we are having one is regular batch, that is 7 to 8. Okay. And where we are focusing placement oriented, for them, we are used to give real time, scenarios. We will ask them to do this scenario. If they stuck, we will help you. After learning how the same it has to express and explain in interview, we will take the mock interview, and then we will tell you, we will give you feedback if he is doing any mistakes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyone have any other questions? No, right? Okay. If you don't have any questions, we can wind up today. Tomorrow we can start sharply at 7 p.m. Please be ready. We can start from the application side. What are all the things we are going to cover how we can able to create that environment to practicing, blah, blah, blah. Each and everything one by one we can learn. I hope everyone is clear, right?
Sorry, I have one question.
Yeah,
Do I need any finance background to learn this course? Like,
absolutely no.
okay, because I have
May I know your education qualification?
BTech information technology.
Okay, fine. I can tell you a few scenarios. When you were
Okay.
studying in intermediate, especially you studied MPC, right?
Yes.
In your college, how many people was there in CAC and MPC?
C compared to MPC or more compared to CC.
Yeah, right. Some of the colleges even will not offer CEC course also.
Yes.
Not only
Yes.
that one, even in degree, if you can see, there you can find become biotechnology. But some of the colleges won't like to offer become BA, these and other courses. Why? Because those courses is the easiest one, and those who join, majority of people used to think will not have a discipline and will not come regular to college and blah blah blah. Here I can tell you in mathematics, hundreds and hundreds of the formulas you can see that. But here we are having only 5 accounts. One is asset, liability, equity, revenue, and expenditure. In this
Okay.
case, equity will come only yearly once the year books is closed. And the remaining four assets, liability, revenue, and expenditure, your assets and expenditure always it will show you debit. Your liability and revenue always it will show to the credit. This is the no blind formula.
Hmm.
And even if you wouldn't to know check, just check Dynamics 365 finance and operation jobs in PwC. You can find their requirement. In that one, you can see that they used to mention graduate or BTech or MTech, they used to mention.
Hmm.
And I can say that still we do have one or two companies where they used to specifically mentioning professional qualification. If you can see Godrej, they used to mention who are having experience on Dynamics 365 FNO. Along with they used to expect some professional qualification like chartered accountants, cost accountant. Those and all are, I can say, not even 10% you cannot find. 1 or 2% is those type of companies will be there. The rest of the companies will not check what was your education. They just check only your experience and your minimum graduation experience.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions?
Sir, what do you have to do if you have gap?
Yeah, be honestly, if you are going to say, I do have 100% knowledge, I'm Satya Chandra, I can clear interview, please give me job. They will say straight away no. Here it is the business mom. Suppose I have a one company called Dynamics Global Edge IT Solution. I have a one client where I want to do an implementation of Dynamics 365. Let us take my client is Airtel. What they used to say, hey Venkat, we want 5 years of experience people 4 and 4 years of experience people 2 and 7 years of work experience people is 4. If I say I do have a candidate called Rahul, he's an extraordinary person, you know, Swami Vivekananda is the more powerful and more or less equal to the Swami Vivekananda when you compare in terms of the knowledge. They will say, hey Venkat, don't tell this type of stories. What I am telling, what you are telling. We want the people who are having the experience. This is the no numbers. We should have to bring those numbers in. Why? Because even if company manipulated, you joined as a fresher, and if you show as 3, 4, or 5 years of experience, and if they verified about BG verification from client end, this company itself, it's one of the biggest damage will happen. But if you join by putting the paper of 5 years, if they identified, they just terminate you. Okay, company will not impact. Why? Because even they don't know. They have done the interviews, they have taken, but without your intimation, intimation consent, if company manipulated, company going to lose a huge amount actually. Okay, I can say nowadays you should go with only experience only. And I can say one more thing also. In IT, almost 90% is fake. Let me tell you one example. Suppose who are working on platform like Hypercare, not Hypercare, sorry. Let us take Power BI. You don't have job opportunities in Power BI. Then what you will do? You will switch your career from Power BI to Angular. When you are going to giving in interviews in Angular, what you will say? You already been working in Angular. You won't say about your Power BI still. After getting the job, is that experience is genuine or fake? Again, it is a questionable doubt. Okay. Not only me, ma, even if you can search somewhere, Smita Banarwal, someone was there in Telangana IAS cadre. She told that even if you are attending interview for IAS, if you think I'm a Satya Richandra, in my neighbor also Satya Richandra, right side, left side, front and back, all are Satya Richandras. And if you speak in that way, they will reject. Based on the situation, spontaneously, you have to be adjusted. Accordingly, you have to tell where they used to accept it. Got it?
Yes,
Say
sir.
yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the one thing very clear. Only thing is that we will tell you where you can success, where if you can put the paper will fail. Those and all are, we do have almost 8 years of experience in the IT field by doing multiple people placement. We can guide you on that. Don't worry about that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any other questions? Clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So use the same link. You can join tomorrow and we will start tomorrow about the application. Okay. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. Good night. See you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.